Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 215. The word origin today is Tycoon. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right into it. If someone says that a person is a tycoon, it means he or she is a rich, powerful business person, especially in some business or industry. Okay, let's continue. The origin of the word tycoon derives directly from Japanese and entered English around the 1850s. The original meaning in Japanese was not connected to the world of business. It meant a shogun. In former times, that was a military leader who controlled an army and had great power until the revolution of 1867 to 1868. Okay, let's continue. The original Japanese spelling in English was Tycoon, this way. This derived from the Pekingese, from Peking at that time. That was the old name for Beijing. Pekingese, a Mandarin dialect from Beijing. Ta meant great, and chun meant ruler. So it was those sounds that they took it from and that they, translated it back into English letters. Okay. Let's continue. One of the earliest significant uses in English was from John Hay, the secretary to Abraham Lincoln, and was used in reference to the president, of course, Abraham Lincoln at that time. All right, let's continue. It eventually evolved into meaning a wealthy and powerful businessman after World War I. Okay, great. And we got 4 examples just to show how we would use it. Here's the first one. Michael Bloomberg is known as a business tycoon. All right, number 2 here. Oprah Winfrey is a media tycoon. Okay, next one. Other famous tycoons include such names as Steven Spielberg, Warren Buffett, Rupert Murdoch, the newspaper or news industry guy. Ted Turner, Robert Murdoch, he's one of the ones that controls a lot of Fox, and Ted Turner, CNN, and Murdoch has a lot of newspapers as well. All right, and the last one here. Before running for president, Trump was known as a real estate tycoon. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.